What are the things that speakers do or don't do aside from the content that makes you want to or not want to work with them again?
Communication is so important, and that's upfront communication. That's understanding expectations between all parties and executing on those expectations as best as possible. If we book somebody for 90 minutes, it's so important to hit that 90-minute timing, or at least close. If you want to close a little bit early, that's okay. If you go over by a few minutes, that's also okay. But I love to really have somebody focus in on that closing time and hitting that. And it's really because our members are joining, and they're busy people as well. They're
Mhm.
joining for a very specific time and carving out of their schedule for that. Even as great as the topic is and everybody's having a great time, when you see that you're going past your time, it can really ruin your day. We ask our members after every event for feedback, and that's one of the things that I hear. They went 20 minutes over and it was great, but I tuned out and I
Yep.
can't do it. I wouldn't say that I wouldn't work with that person again if that happened, but I would definitely bring it to their attention and say that that's really important for our members to try to hit that timing.